Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to check Affidavit online. To begin, navigate to your local government's official website or the specific court system's online portal. You can usually find this by searching online for terms like state court records or county affidavit search. Ensure you are on an official.gov domain for reliability and security. This first step is crucial for accurate and trustworthy information. Once on the correct website, locate the specific search portal designed for public records or case documents. This section is usually clearly labeled, perhaps as court records, case inquiry, or online filings. You are looking for a dedicated interface where you can input search criteria. It is important to confirm you are using the official government source to avoid any misleading or unofficial information. Now, carefully enter the required search criteria into the designated fields. You might need the specific case number, the names of the parties involved, or even an approximate filing date. Double-check all spellings and numerical entries, as even a small error can lead to no results. If there is a document type filter, select Affidavit to narrow your search effectively. Precise information ensures you find exactly what you need. After submitting your search, a list of potential documents will likely appear. Take your time to carefully review each entry on this results page. Look for key identifiers like the correct case name, the filing date, and specifically any mention of affidavit in the document description or title. Confirming these details ensures you are selecting the relevant record from the search output. This step prevents opening an incorrect document.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.